Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to do a boomerang on Snapchat in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to do a boomerang on Snapchat? Welcome to the world of dynamic storytelling. Snapchat's Boomerang feature lets you bring your moments to life with engaging loops. In this guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating the perfect boomerang on Snapchat. Let's see how. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android phone and long press the circle record button to record a video as usual. Step 2. Swipe up on the column of icons on the right side of the screen until you can see the icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Step 3. Tap the icon to cycle through its various functions. Stop once the word bounce appears. Step 4. A white box should appear on the video's timeline. Drag it to the part of the video you want to use as a bounce. Step 5. When you're happy with your Snapchat bounce, select one of the following options. Save. This will export the file to your smartphone as a video file. Story. This option brings up a variety of Snapchat story options. Send to. This will let you forward the video to a Snapchat friend in a message. So, this is all about how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.